Hey guys, I'm just going to make a quick video to show you how to set up a Minecraft server without Hamachi or Tungle, but strictly just using port forwarding methods. It's actually quite simple. It's either you know how to do it or somebody else knows how to do it, and most people just aren't really good at explaining how to do it itself. So what you're going to need to do to port forward is to find out your domain IP address. And to find this out, you're just going to go down to the start menu and find command prompt. And you're going to want to run that as administrator if you're on Windows 7. Otherwise, if you do the next step, it won't work. So after you run that as administrator, click yes, and you're going to get a menu like this. Now, what you're going to want to type is IP config, C-O-N-F-I-G, and you're going to get all this gobbledygook. You're going to not see default gateway if you're on Windows 7, but if you scroll up just a little bit, then you're going to see it. And as you can see, that's my default gateway. That's what your main thing is going to be to set up the Minecraft server. So exit out of that after you know it and open up your browser. I'm using Opera because I prefer it the best. And type it in whatever, so 192.168.1.1. And you're going to get a little message like this with the username and password. This is because it's your modem or router, and with other people access to it, it's bad. The default username, if you haven't been on this before, is admin and password. But I have been on this before, so my username is obviously admin, and I'm going to type in the password. And you're going to come to this. You're just going to click cancel. Now I have a Netgear, router, so that's why mine looks like this. But most will look like this, and you're going to want to go to port forwarding - port triggering. Now, once you're here, you're going to want to do add a custom service. It's going to look something like this. So your service name is going to be something like Minecraft server or whatever you just want it to name. So for future references, you know what it is. This is going to be TCP-UDP. Your starting port and ending port are both going to be 255.65 because that's the port that Minecraft runs on. And then your server IP address is going to be your domain IP address. But the last one, it's going to have to be different. So for example, on mine is 0.1 at the end, but I changed that to 0.3 just because it has to be different. But yeah, after that's done, you're just going to click apply, and you're going to get one of these little things. It means that port has been forwarded. Now, if I can do this right, there should be many port check sites. Let's try portcheck.org. No, that's wrong. But everyone, after you're done with port forwarding, you can just go to any random site and check a port by typing in the port and see if it's open. If it's open, then you're ready to move on to the next step, and you're basically halfway there to the private server already. If it's not, then you messed up, and you may want to go back again or just try a different guide. But yeah, after that's up and done, I'm going to start up your browser again. Go up to Minecraft. Once it loads. Got like a million things running, so it's probably a little laggy. As you can see down here. As you can see, I'm logged on. And what you're going to want to do is go down to Play Minecraft Better in browser or download. Click download. And then you're going to see the download or multiplayer beta software. What you're wanting to do is click this and save it. Now, after you save it, you should get a little file that has the little Minecraft icon, which is going to look something like this. Once it's there, I suggest you make a new folder on your desktop by right-clicking and hitting new and then folder, and naming it something like I have right here called Minecraft server, and then moving that little Minecraft block in here. Now, once you click this, it'll start up this little thing, which is the actual Minecraft server itself. It'll generate the world, banned IPs, banned players, OP, server, and whitelist after it's done loading this. As you can see, it's starting up the world as it creates it. And once it reaches that, you're all set and done. And then you'll have all these files in your folder. Now, in order to actually set up the server for people to work on yours, you're going to want to open the server file in Notepad. Go over to this. The level name is your world name. Allow Nether is if you want people to be able to access the Nether via Nether portal. View distance, just leave that. Spawn monsters if you want monsters like creepers and stuff. Online mode, set this to true. Difficulty would be 1 for peaceful, right? Not peaceful, normal, which is recommended. Game mode. Game mode 0 is survival, and game mode 1 is creative. So, as you can see, this is 0 because this is my survival server. Spawn animals, I would leave that on true. Max players, this is how many players can access your server at a time. It starts off on 20, but I minused it down to 10 because my computer specs aren't really that amazing. So yeah. Server IP, just leave that blank. PvP, true or false, if you want people to be able to attack each other. Level seed is the same as a world seed. If you want a specific world or anything, then you just pop in the seed right there. Server port, it's going to be the 25565 because it's the actual Minecraft port. Allow flight, if people have a flying mod and this is set to true instead of false, then people will be able to use that mod. Whitelist, if you have a whitelist, then only people's names with their names on the whitelist right here will be able to access the server, so I have that to false. And then MOTD is just what it says under your Minecraft server name, so a Minecraft server is default. So after that's done, you're just going to want to right click on file and save. And then once that's done, you just start up the server and you're basically set. Now once people are on once that's all up and running, you're going to have to leave that up just like every other Minecraft server, and then you're just going to want to check on Google my IP. Now as you can see, it says my IP address is 50.4.72.74. when on the Minecraft thing, the actual browser itself, which I'm going to load up now, this is the IP address that people are going to be using to connect to your port, or to your server. So I'm just going to go ahead and log on and show you this. Mojang. You're going to go to multiplayer. As you can see, this is your actual server right here. As you can see, I can't reach the server because I'm not running it. But if I was to click edit, blah blah blah, alright, let's do direct connect. That's where you type in the server IP address. And yeah, that's the IP. If typing in the IP doesn't work just by itself, you may have to, like, let me start up a notepad. If I have to do, I forget what my IP is, but I think it's like that. If that doesn't work, then you're going to have to do :25565 and then join with that, and that should also work. But if neither of those work, then you're going to have to go back and try a different step. But either this, the entire thing right here, or just the IP itself, that should work, no problems. So yeah guys, that's basically all you have to do to set up your own Minecraft server. So if you have any questions, please just feel free to message me on Nerf Cinema or my other two partners. Comment on the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this and I hope it really helped. Just comment, like, and subscribe. Favorite the video if you want. But yeah, I will be posting more videos soon guys, so yeah, see you later.